It's Michael from TradeWithoutEmotion.com. Today we're going to look at General Electric. It's GE on the New York Stock Exchange. I did a video on this just a couple days ago. I predicted that we had come back into our trading zone between the area of $25 to $30. I was recommending a purchase price at the area of $24, and thankfully what we had is a nice big gap up. And if you followed that advice, you made a nice 20% on your purchase price, so congratulations to you. So basically we're going to go over some of the details and look at why I came to this conclusion and how you can still profit from trading this stock. First thing I want to point out about GE and why it came to my attention, it is a big chip stock. I don't usually trade these types of stocks. But with the volatility and the profitability of last week's trading on the Dow has been amazing. So a lot of stocks that I don't usually trade are showing up on my radar screen. Anyhow, I would like to point out that one of the first things that caught my attention about General Electric was the fact that this formation right here, we have these two candlesticks right here, this long green candlestick and this smaller red-bodied candlestick, which is completely within the body of the next. This is what the Japanese rice traders and new pattern chart traders call a bullish harami. Basically what it is it's a chart reversal pattern. It has high reliability. It's been proven and tested with 400 years of rice trading commodities in Japan. It's a new technical analyst aspect that we apply now to the stock market of today. Anyhow, I've been using it for about a year and a half now, and it's proven very successful. So if you would like to learn more about candlestick patterns and candlestick charts and how to profit from them, you can buy our DVD. We sell it for $139 at the website. If you use the special code, though, you'll get $10 off the price. Anyhow, let's continue on with our analysis. Okay, reviewing our plan from the last video. As you recall, I entered this trade at $23.90. I was recommending a buy for all traders that are bullish or long at this area. My target exit was at 25.85. We had this nice little gap up the next day, and that exceeded my expectations. So basically what we had is a nice big open. We opened at about $29 it looks like in this area right here. What happened was I was expecting to sell off at $25.85 for a nice 8% gain. You know, you put a lot of money into these stocks because they're very safe, they're very liquid, no problems with these. Fortunately, or I guess I should say unfortunately, the price did pull back a little bit during the day, and I was able to liquidate my position at 27.77 for a nice 16% gain in one day. That said, what I did in this case, and which I advocated in the previous video, since this is General Electric and this is a long-term hold, this is a stock that you can probably hand down to your grandkids. I took my original capital out and I kept all my remaining profits as free shares, and I'll use those to hold and build a retirement account. This is something that we advocate at Trade Without Emotion, and this is something that we've done with our test account to show how you can build a nice retirement account in the future while being an investor and a trader at the same time. So currently right now what we have is this has developed a very nice trading channel between the 25 area to 30 area very nicely. As you can see right here, it falls within our support and resistance lines quite nicely. This is a nice channel that this has traded in for the last 3 years. Basically what I'm going to do now that I have free shares is this will always be on my radar, and I'll have a buy order for say 2,500 shares sitting at the $25 range, and every time that the price comes back down to that area, I'll check the indicators, make sure everything's right. My buy order will execute, and then when it gets back up to the 30 area, 29.98, or in that area, what I'll do is I'll sell off my position. I'll just trade it and take it as profits, or I'll keep it as I did as remaining free shares, and I'll continue and repeat. This is how you make a lot of money in the stock market without risking a large amount of capital. You basically just buy at support, sell at resistance, and you only sell the amount that recovers your initial investment. Therefore, you're building up free shares continually over time. Repeat this for 5 years, and you could have an account of $50,000 with only churning, say, $10,000 over time. This is an advanced concept that you can find out more about at our website if you're interested. Anyhow, so let's take a look down at our indicators. Like I said, the volume has just been superb in this stock. Got way, we're trading way above our normal volume. Our rate of change is about ready to cross the zero line, which is always a bullish move. What we've got right here is our MACD. The histogram bars are growing smaller, much like I said, which is forecasting an impending signal line crossover, which is a buy signal. This, if you go by the histogram bars, you're going to get an earlier and therefore more risky approach for a buy signal. However, if you wait for the signal line crossover, you're going to get a safe but a buy signal. However, this is a lagging indicator and it takes time. I always use the full stochastic to confirm my buys, which is right down here, and I use that at either a signal line crossover or a 50 line crossover. The MFI has been in a downtrend for quite a bit here, and as you can see, it's coming out of oversold conditions. This is General Electric, people. We don't have a lot to worry about here. So this is really bullish. It's coming out. We've got a lot of room to run. Hopefully we'll break out of our trading channel and break above it. That would be excellent. So let's move up and look at some of our momentum indicators. Our RSIs are really good. Our RSI 2 is definitely crossed the 50 line for a buy signal. Our RSI 5 has crossed the 30 line and the 50 line for a double confirmer buy signal. And our RSI 14 is just about ready to cross the 50 line, so our conservative traders will enter in this area. Another thing I'd like to point out is our ADX line, which we have right here. Our plus DI and negative DI is about to cross over, which is another excellent sign that our trend is reversing. These indicators can be quite complicated. However, if you purchase our DVD, Trade Without Emotion, Master the Basics, you'll be able to learn these and trade without emotion and learn how to profit like the pros. So, I hope you learned something from this lesson. If you're interested in our DVDs, hold on till the end of the video and we'll give you a code so you can get a cheaper price on all the videos. Anyhow, have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video and trade without emotion.